This exercise is called 3-5-3 squat. The muscle groups we will be working: calves, quads, hamstrings, hips, glutes, and core. First thing we're going to do is get into a squat position. All right? Squat position. Get those feet shoulder width or just a little slightly wider than shoulder width. That's fine too. Okay, make sure the feet are pointed forward. Don't have them open. Keep them pointed forward. This is where your trainer is going to call out the cadence. 3-5-3. 3 seconds down, 5 seconds sit, 3 seconds back up. Okay, he's going to call that at his pace, his or her pace. He will call that at. So 3 seconds down. You're going to go slowly down into your squat position. 3-second count. Then you're going to hold it for 5 seconds down at the bottom of your squat. Then when he says up, 3 seconds up, meaning slowly come up until you finish the squat. All right? So take your time. Nice long deep breaths, comfortable pace with the breathing, in through the nose, out through the mouth, and just listen to your trainer, okay? 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, sit. 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000, 5, 1,000, up. 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, rest. Follow the sound of his voice, and when you do that, you're going to get nice and sync on the 3-second sit, 5-second up, 3-second rest. This is one of the many exercises you will experience in WebFitness. That's what I'm talking about. Push yourself. I know you got one more. I see it. Come on now. Exactly what you just heard is exactly what you're going to get. A live trainer in front of you to coach you, to motivate you, help fix your form, and help you with every step along the way. All we ask for is a laptop and good internet connection. That's it. It's as simple as that. There's no special equipment needed whatsoever. You can even hook up your laptop to your TV. That choice is yours. The main purpose you're getting is a group fitness class with people from all over the world with a live trainer. But we invented that. We invented a new way to fitness. You're going to be able to track your progress, improve your diet, and work out anywhere you want to. And work out whenever you want to. Schedule your workouts ahead of time. If you know you're going to work out at home, or if you got to go out on a business trip, we got you. Schedule the time that suits best for you at the touch of your finger. It's as simple as that. The app that we have provided you is going to do wonders. You're going to have so many options and so many things to do, you're not going to keep count of it. Quickly take a picture of your food in our app for our nutritionist to analyze what you're eating to provide you advice on your diet and meal planning. You can also ask questions on a meal or general nutrition questions. You're going to have my progress. You're going to take pictures each week of your transformation. Watch your measurements. Watch those pounds drop like there's no tomorrow. We have all of that for you, and that's all here at WebFitness.